The rapid innovation of technology has impacted the way businesses approach data center design and deployment. Common data center problems such as overheating, high energy consumption, low cooling efficiency, separate management platforms, low reliability, longer project turnaround, and cost overrun can be resolved with Smart Solutions' integrated infrastructure solution. Backed by its long-standing tradition of data center expertise, Vertiv presents the new Smart Solutions for small and mid-sized data centers. The Smart Solution family comes in different categories: Smart Cabinet and Smart Row. Smart Solutions Smart Cabinet, a fully integrated plug-and-play data center to meet the IT infrastructure's requirement. Smart Solutions Smart Row is a simplified, standardized and quickly deployable data center solution with integrated power, cooling system, monitoring system and security system into a compact management suite. Smart Row is suitable for limited data center space, packing performance, efficiency and availability in small footprints. The centralized monitoring system connects all system components. Smart Row uses just one interface to manage and monitor all its critical components for optimal planning and management with a single display. Your data center operation is under your control. IT managers will be notified through an SNMP and email alert if system fails or anyone tries to steal the data. Smart Row comes in closed cold aisle and closed hot aisle configuration. Smart Row with both aisles contained enhances the AC compressor efficiency and can be placed anywhere, even in environments where people are working. It is the most ideal solution for limited room space. Smart Row configurations enhance cooling efficiency and guarantees optimal PUE. Smart Row comes with emergency exhaust system. If the cooling unit fails, the hot air fan exhaust will be triggered through RDU-A activation. Further, it will automatically open the magnetic doors to release hot air and allow ambient air to enter. Smart Row's modular design means expansion can be deployed at one time or in phases. It is flexible to meet various application scenarios common in small and mid-sized data center expansions. It can configure from 2 racks to as many as 8 racks. Smart Row is designed for fast and easy deployment and can be installed to get ready for use in just few weeks. Smart Row offers you complete data center package with turnkey capability only from Vertiv. It is optimized to be user-friendly from deployment phase to actual operation. Vertiv Smart Row Solution, the road to be smart.